Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll be continuing our Python tutorial. In this section, we'll learn how to use input and if-else commands. Okay, from now on, I'm going to be using the Atom editor. So as I mentioned in the previous section, I suggest that you download and install it. It's very suitable for writing code in Python. In this section, we will be learning how to use the input command. So let's write the input command directly. I'm going to write input in parentheses, apostrophes. I'm going to write enter a number. Don't forget to save your code. Let's save it as input.py. As you can see, the Atom editor has already done some changes on our code, changing the color of the function and changing the content of the string. Let's see if we can see our code in our directory. We see our input.py. So let's run it. Python space input.py. Okay, it asks us to enter a number. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and enter. And nothing happens because we just requested from the user to input a number and that's it. We didn't perform any action with it. So let's enhance our code and assign this input to a variable named A. Okay, and let's save it. And let's print this A with the print statement. I save the code and to run it once again. Enter a number, I'm entering some number and it's printing that number. Okay, let's try to enhance our code by writing A times 2 in the print statement. If you are expecting the code to multiply the input number by 2, you are going to be wrong. Let's see what's going to happen when we run the code. And let's write 1, 2, 3, for example, and I'm pressing enter. The output is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So here the A variable is a string. When we write down the statement 8 times 2, it's going to repeat this string twice. So if we just write 3 instead, let's save and let's run it again. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. You can see that it's repeated 3 times. So what do we have to do if we want to multiply the number? We should convert the string to integer by this command. So if we write print b times 3, let's see what's going to happen. It multiplied our number with 3 and printed it. It's 369. And now let's use the if-else statement with the input. We can do the following. And we can add an else statement and say print the number is bigger than 10. Let's run the code and let's write, for example, 4. It says the number is smaller than 10. Let's run the code once again and let's say 35, for example, and it prints out the number is bigger than 10. So this is the simplest usage of the if and else statement. In the following sections, we will continue to introduce new commands and structures. So see you next time. Bye.